everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Khushboo. As you all already know, this video is about the advices and tips for the first year student from my side. But this is a very different video and this is really close to my heart. Because in this video, I have put down all my learnings throughout my first year, things I have done correct and the mistakes I have made. And then I have put down a list, and not a list actually, just 3 points. So this video is all about second year senior Khushboo giving advices to the first year junior Khushboo. So let's understand in detail what are the tips I will give myself so that I can rock my first year all over again. So that video is divided into 3 major parts. First is invest in yourself, second explore, and third have fun. But it is not as simple as it seems. It is much more complicated than these 3 terms, and I am going to explain you what I actually mean by these 3 terms. So the first thing is invest in yourself. But what I mean by this? I mean physically, technically, and financially. Most of us have prepared our ass off for JEE, and in those 2 years of preparation or even 1 year of preparation, we were in this bubble in which we only used to think, the only thing we used to think was about how to get good grades, how to get a good college, how to score more than the last time, and just only these things. So we never actually take care of our health, we never actually take care of what we are learning, what we are not, but that's okay. I know, जब हम ऐसा निकलते हैं उस फेज से बाहर तो ऐसा लगता है यार मतलब 2 साल बहुत मेहनत कर लिया है, अब ना 4 साल मजे मारना है, बिल्कुल मजे मारना है एकदम. बट मज़ों के साथ साथ आपको अपनी बाकी चीज़ों पे ध्यान रखना होगा. तो फर्स्ट थिंग आती है आपकी हेल्थ. इट कैन बी रिलेटेड टू एनीथिंग, लाइक यू कैन स्टार्ट प्लेइंग स्पोर्ट्स, यू कैन स्टार्ट गोइंग टू द जिम. You have to think about your fitness because even when you are in engineering, you have to do a lot of work in front of screens. पूरा time just laptops और computer के आगे ही मिलोगे तुम लोग. You need to take care of your health as well. That's why physically. Second, technically. So technically what I meant is it's okay to have fun, it's okay to enjoy your first year, but you need to learn skills. Learn at least one skill. Start with something that you enjoy. If you are interested in coding, start learning coding. Because I will recommend everyone to learn code. The early you start, the early you will win. And जब तुम कुछ नया सीखोगे तो तुम्हें a sense of accomplishment मिलेगा कि हाँ यार एक्चुअली कुछ तो किया. जब तुम 1 साल ख़त्म हो जाएगा ना, उसके बाद तुम्हें लगेगा कि यार चलो ठीक है यार, फर्स्ट ईयर कम से कम पूरा वेस्ट तो नहीं किया, कुछ तो काम किया ही है. ओके. And my third point was financially. So what I mean by this is जब भी most of the time जब आप college में आते हो, that is the first time when you have money in your hands, like free money. I mean to say some have pocket monies that are allotted to them, and some have their bank accounts जिसमें से जितना चाहो उतना निकाल लो, and some even earn by themselves. So it is the first time you have control of money in your hands. So I will highly recommend you to start writing down your expenses. Start thinking about it a little bit more. I will recommend you to just make a sheet in which you write that okay, this is how much I spent for this month, this is how much I spent for this month. एक साल में कम से कम तुम्हें यही पता चल जाएगा कि तुम्हारा एवरेज एक्सपेंस कितना है. और कुछ सीजन होंगे जब तुम ज़्यादा स्पेंड करोगे, जब फेस्ट टाइम चल रहा है या फिर कुछ भी जिस मंथ में तुम्हारे दोस्तों के बर्थडे ज़्यादा आते हैं मे बी सो यू विल गेट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि अच्छा तुम्हारा पैटर्न क्या है खर्चने का. ओके. सेकेंड पॉइंट, एक्सप्लोर. So what I mean by this is it is also covered in 3 points. First, different domains. Second, hobbies. And third, take risk. What I mean by this is in your first year you can explore all the different domains you are interested in. Even if you are not interested in engineering that much or coding that much, if you are interested in graphic designing, maybe marketing, video editing, cinematography, या फिर singing, art, acting, anything you are interested in, you can explore that field. You can try your hands on that, you can get your hands dirty with that, and then you can choose for yourself that is it worth your time or not. So explore. Second thing is hobbies. So give time to your hobbies. Your hobbies don't always have to be your profession. Third, Take risks. Maybe start your own business, start your own startup, get your hands dirty, because the college time is the best time to take risks. And the thing is, no one is dependent on you, and you don't have to do perfect things, because no one expects you to do perfect things when you are in college. They expect you to make dumb decisions. So take risk, explore different career options, even talk to a lot of people, talk to different personalities. You will explore different personalities of different people, and that is going to help you that what are the different personality traits and how certain people react to certain situations. And it is also going to help you in your relations. The thing is, whenever you will meet some toxic person, maybe whenever you are talking to them, you will get a red flag in your mind that okay, these are the things I will never do to someone consciously. And the second type of people that are very humble or maybe very kind, you will get a green flag. Okay, this is a very kind person, and I should probably do these things more often so that I can be considered kind too. So you can start learning. So you will learn a lot about different people and how they react when you talk to different people. So start talking and start interacting more often. Firstly, don't forget to like this video, and as you have done that, now we are going to move forward. Third and the last point, but obviously not the least point, have fun. Have fun, try all different type of things, take seminars, take sessions, go to different events, summits, fests, and go out with your friends, have fun. But there are 3 things I want like to tell you in this too. So the first thing is prioritize. You don't need to go to the each and every seminar, each and every event, each and every hackathon, each and every fest that is going to happen. You need to prioritize between you want to spend doing productive things and between the time you want to spend like chilling and having fun with your friends. You need to have a balance, and that's why you need to prioritize. You can't say yes to each and every opportunity, better saying it as event. So that's why you need to prioritize. But here comes my second point, don't think too much about it. Okay, so don't think too much before something. Like you need to give it a thinkful thought, but don't think too much like will it be what, will it be this, will it be that. If you don't have a good argument that if not this, then what you are going to do productively, then just don't think too much and go. In my first semester, there was an event that was conducted by Women Who Code, and it was event and panel about something, and it was very far away because I was in Delhi and it was in Gurgaon, and the event was in Gurgaon, and it was starting at 9 a.m. and it will take me 3 hours to go there, and it was like January, so I have to like wake up at 5 and get ready by 6 and take a metro and go there to attend that event that is going to happen only for 2 hours. So I was thinking a lot, but then I decided, okay, you don't have to think. Even if you don't go there, what you are going to do, you are going to stay in your hostel room, or you are going to take 1 or 2 classes, and that really don't matter a lot. That is not going to do something more to your anything. So let's just go. And I decided to go there, and it was best decision ever. So I will highly recommend you to don't think too much. And so even if you want to know about the whole story, so you can check out my first semester experiences video, and there you will get everything. And third is set boundaries. When I say don't think too much, it doesn't mean like that you don't have to think about anything. You need to set certain boundaries that you will have. And by boundaries, I don't mean that you have some religious boundaries, or you have some boundaries like I will work for this person, I will not work for this company, or I will not talk for this, I will not talk. I'm not talking about those boundaries. I'm talking about boundaries that you set for yourself. Like these are the things I will do, these are the things I will not do. Okay, so these are all the tips from my side. We have 3 points in our hands. First, we will invest in ourselves. Second, we are going to explore. And third, we are going to have a lot of fun. So I hope you very all the best. If you want to check out my first year experience, the link is in the description. Don't forget to like this video. Don't go out before liking this video. Share this video with all your friends and let them know these points. If you if you know about these points, then only you are going to be mindful about you have to ever think about these things. You need to have someone who tells you that okay, you have to take care of these things. Okay, so share this video and I will see you all next time.